Hi, welcome to Dan's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making beef and broccoli with seared ginger, and stay tuned. Okay, now we got some onion and I'm going to use my handy dandy. Okay, we got some broccoli here. The best way I found for the broccoli to cut it is just cut down like that, like trimming a tree. And the stock, you're not gonna eat the stock anyway, so you can, but it's very brainy. I'm gonna throw this part away. But you get the idea. I got plenty over there broccoli, but you get the idea of the way we cut it. See, like these big pieces, we're gonna cut them in half. Just like that. See, we got a lot of broccoli. And just cut it just in half like that. You get the idea. Okay, now we got some sugar peas. Some people leave the ends on. I don't. I cut them and I clean them so it looks good. That's my grandson Luke. Okay, I forgot to turn on the camera, but what I did is I took this meat and I put some oil, some beef flavor, some accent, and some garlic and ginger. And I'm letting it marinate for a few minutes till I get ready for the rest. And I'm gonna go outside and cook it. I'm not gonna cook it inside the house because my stove don't generate enough heat. Okay, I decided I'm gonna make it a little bit on the spicy side, so a couple of jalapenos. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna julienne these bad boys. So that means this. That means cut it like that. Like that. I got other knives, but this one is way too cool. So it's a little bit heavy, but I enjoy using it. So that's how I'm using this one. And there you go. You get the idea. So that's the way you cook it?
That's just like this, sir.
Oh, okay, just like that. Okay, we're outside. I'm gonna saute some vegetables for my son-in-law because he's a vegetarian or something. I don't know what's wrong. But anyways, he's on some kind of fast, so I'm gonna cook him something without no meat. Get a little oil. Let's do our broccoli first. And our carrots. Like hot. Do our mushrooms, please. Let us do all of it. Turn that bad boy up. A little bit of ginger. We got tuna. We are live. Oh yeah. Sesame oil.
And what's making that coconut? Woo!
Imagine if we did this in a house.
Wow.
We're doing that.
This Yamato is not that bad.
Which one?
I don't know.
What are you picking on him?
I don't know.
Little ginger and garlic. Fresh like this. Just like that. Little black pepper. Little crushed pepper. Sesame oil.
Oh, I'm in the video. Are we done?
Just about, but we had a little soy sauce. We're gonna deflate our bowl. Oh, plate or something.
Like this?
Yeah.
And that's just for quota.
That's just for Frank.
Yeah, right? Thank you so much.
Taste one. See what it tastes like.
It's too hot.
Just take a taste.
Burn my little fingers.
Oh, your little fingers.
My little young lungs.
Okay, we cleaned our pot, and now we're getting ready for the main meal. Got a little oil in there. Throw our broccoli in there. Just the broccoli.
Just the broccoli.
Just the broccoli. We'll use this.
Let me do my trademark.
There you go. That's the man. A little vinegar. Okay, now the reason why I did the broccoli first, so I get that nasty taste off. So basically I sauteed it with vinegar and the oil, and I'm just gonna take it out just like this and set it aside. And then when everything gets done, we throw it in there. So you know, broccoli does throw out methane gas, so this is help to get the methane gas out. So that way your food don't taste like methane gas. That's my fabulous daughter. Okay, we're gonna do our mushrooms next, so they give out water. Saute them with a little bit of oil. Just like that. A little hot chili oil. Little butter flavored crystal. Now if you see I'm tilting the thing on the side, so I get this so I get this hot dish right there. I don't know if you can see our mushrooms. They're sauteing. Oh yeah. That was a money shot right there. Our beef. Okay, I sauteed some ginger. Now we're gonna turn this up. We're gonna saute our meat. Are we on?
Yeah.
Okay, I added a little beef flavor, a little hot chili oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of this, crushed pepper, a little bit of black pepper. I added a little garlic and ginger that's in the water. So that's done. So now, I'm gonna turn it on just for a second. These are sugar peas, broccoli, onions, and some peppers, a little bit of vinegar, and some soy sauce. Now I'm gonna heat that up again. Garlic. Little hot chili oil. Maybe a little bit more of that. With garlic and ginger mixed together. And we're done. Anything else we're supposed to throw in there? Oh, that spinach.
Where's it at?
Right there.
You want right now?
Yep, throw it in there. That's it. I threw in some spinach. Now we're gonna throw in some sauteed ginger. Dump all that in there with the oil. A little bit more crushed pepper. A little bit more than that, Ross.
We're gonna go this way.
Yeah. Alright, there we go. Alright, that's good. Looks pretty decent. So, I'm gonna taste it. It's hot. I didn't put no additives just yet and it tastes great.